This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Debbie Hamilton. Open floor plan in this immaculately kept home. Basement rancher on .90 lot. Gorgeous view of the Smoky Mountains. Main level has beautiful hickory plank flooring on the entire main level with the exception of the master bathroom, hall bathroom and laundry room. Kitchen hosts granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. 2 screened covered porches and a deck. 2-car garage, clean storage shed with electric and small potbelly stove that is being used as a workshop. Attic floored storage. Downstairs has a large wet bar, dishwasher, full bathroom, craft room separate, tons of storage. TV wall mounts and stainless steel refrigerator and generic generator convey. 500 gallons Propone tank supplies gas range, water heater, fireplace and generator, when needed. Downstairs could host another bedroom. Full bathroom down. For more information, review the details below or contact Debbie Hamilton at 865-693-1111.